crap out of me.
Oh, we have activated public alarm.
Huh.
To be automatically activated. Format. Test next available. Reception of this breath.
That's weird.
Very slowly. Better.
Huh.
Good call. 30. In order to start one possible practice, the following broadcast bell, breath, heart, death, not, work, fart, out, right, out, west, count,
Huh.
and read,
That's weird.
right, count. Once again, going out,
NOAA Weather Radio
Oh my gosh.
for river interests in the
Scared the crap out of me.
the river stage report for Wednesday.
They're gonna do it
November
again in a minute.
2021. No significant precipitation fell in the listening area during the last 24 hours. And now for some current river stages. Cumberland River at Barberville, 2.6 at 7 a.m. Cumberland River at Williamsburg, 4.0 at 7 a.m.
Here we go. Ah. Here we go. Woo! Oh yeah, baby.
so that's what Jackson is up. The test weather rating on yes. Especially the automatic
Huh. That's weird.
broadcast.
That is really weird. I'll have to fix that one later.
Once again,
And now the latest weather.
That is really weird.
Cold and tremendous
Epic fail.
morning. A strengthening southerly breeze will boost
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody.
by this afternoon.
Alright, guys. Well, that was a weekly test. Apparently, I don't know what the crap just happened, but some reason you could only hear it for a second. I don't know what was going on. I think it was messed up, but this contains an epic fail. Kind of like an elevator. Again. Alright, again, I apologize for that, so here we go. So I apologize for that, but you've heard it before, and I'll try to get back to y'all next time. Anyway, again, tomorrow's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving Eve, kind of like Christmas Eve, but again, I apologize for that, but I don't know why it did, but that's weird, but it was still cool hearing it, though. See? Alright, guys, well, I'll get back to y'all next time, so hope y'all have a good time, and I'll come watch them turn off if I'm still here. Let's see. They end at 3:16 p.m. Alright, guys, well, there y'all go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Happy Thanksgiving Eve, and the next time it'll probably be close to Christmas, so I'll get back to y'all soon. So thanks for watching. Until then, expect more weather radio soon, because I still gotta get a few more. Certain ones I like, certain ones I don't like, but Again, I apologize for what happened about that thing making that weird sound, but that wasn't doing it right. But anyway, all right, guys, y'all take care. Happy Thanksgiving.